Welcome back to our Lego channel. I'm Alicia.
And I'm Sophia.
Today we're going to be doing a really fun DIY craft. And we have this storage container craft, and we have two of them.
Yeah, so we have two of them.
And you can store some Legos, and we have the Legos that we're going to be putting in. We have the Dots Series 2 Extra Dots bag, and we're going to separate them and put them in these two boxes. So let's open up this Dots bag and see what types of dots we have inside. Alright, so we're just going to cut open the bag and dump out all of our dots. So now we're also going to separate them into different groups of color. Alright, so we are onto the box, and we're just going to cut these little strips.
Yeah. Now we're adding the hot pink.
Like the lighter pink, but it's not too light. It's not our lightest shade of pink.
Yeah, and we're just snipping it.
Yep. Alright, so we finished snipping our little hot pink strip, and now
we're going to be snipping the lightest pink.
Yeah, and I think it's a really pretty pink too.
Yeah, it's like white.
In the sun. If you put it in the sun, it looks really white. But then if you put it down on like a white blank surface, it looks pink.
And it also looks like those round little circles we organized with the dots that are like you can see through.
I feel like the other pink looks more like that.
Yeah.
Alright, so now we're starting to glue these strips on.
So we're gonna first glue the lightest pink.
And next is the other pink, not the red yet.
Yeah.
And I overlapped Sophia's work. Hope you forgive me.
I forgive you, partner.
Okay, so I'm gluing on this other strip, the last strip.
Which is red.
Yeah, it's not the last strip. So now we're gonna let that dry. Alright, so we've just finished adding the glue for the last strip on the top of our heart box.
Alright, so now we're gonna cut the axis strips off.
Axis. So let's do that right now.
Alright, so now we're just going to be gluing the strips that we cut off onto the sides.
Well, it's not the strips that we cut off. It's excess, it's the other strips that were left over that we're going to be using. They weren't even left over. They were.
Yeah.
And I accidentally put the glue on the lid of the box. Hopefully that doesn't
Hopefully that doesn't stick there when you
Yeah.
open the cap.
So let's continue to
Sticking these
side things
thingies
on. They're like
on.
strips, papers. Maybe they're crochets, you know. Oh no, paper mache.
I don't know.
Sorry if I'm saying that wrong. So we're finishing up the heart, and we finished it. It looks amazing.
Yep.
Oh, there's one other part. We need to add another eye, so we're adding another eye. And we're just gonna stick that. I'm gonna try and stick it in the center. That's kind of in the center.
And then we're going to put some gems on and a red one there. Another one, the one there.
Gold
a
ones.
gold one, another gold one, and yeah.
All
And
right,
a pink
we
one on
have
top.
finished this storage box for the container. However, there's one more part. We need to add the Lego dots. So let's do that.
So we're going to be pouring the blues in.
Next, we're gonna put in the like pinks, but however on the camera, it looks like
Orange.
orange, but it's pink. Trust me.
And then
Keep dropping them in, and now we're gonna add the hollowy bits, the yellow bits, and the light blue bits,
And
and
now-
also the picture bits.
yeah. And we didn't put all of the stickers on.
Oh,
Because we thought it would be too busy.
Lego storage container, and I think it's looking amazing.
Yep.
So we had some trouble because I accidentally glued the box shut. Here, as you can see, I kind of tried to cut it with an X-Acto knife, but can you see that? Sorry, the lighting's bad. But I eventually got it open,
And there is the part.
but that's okay. We have all of our Lego Dots extras.
And I think this is really cute. And if you have a string, you can just put it on the back and
Yeah,
hang
it
it.
did come from the string, with the string, I mean, not from the string. But I feel like it looks better without the string. You can add the string if you'd like. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.
Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye.